Okay, this is my awesome Lego creations. Well, not be that awesome, but here are the stuffs. I'm gonna give you some seconds or minutes to see. Motorcycle, vroom vroom. Person, some other things. This is for a motorcycle. Inside, Lego agent. Some other stuff. Oh, here's a motorcycle. Here's a car. And, well, I just wanted to show you my things. And I'm going to show you more stuff. Almost done. Oh, this is my next movie I was going to talk about from my Papa Tropical. If you hear like this, that's my dog. Sorry about that. Here's my other stuff. Here's some Legos in here. Well, you can't really see though. Some other things. My Lego games. Robotron and Minotaurs. Some other Legos. And some more Legos here. Some more over there. And I'm gonna be showing you some more. Let me go outside. Okay, here's some. Okay, I'm gonna show you some outside. Let's go. Here's my Legos. Oh, this is not the dog who did it. But just say hi. And oops, I think I can't find the other dog. Okay, but that's not the dog who did it, who's sitting outside watching. Oh, here it is. Well, I just wanted to say he's the one who did it. I'm sorry about that. But bye. Thank you for watching. Adios, amigos.